This is a blackbird eating some food on our front lawn. He's just gone. So you probably heard him squeal. That's blueberry flavoured cake. And down on the drive there, we've got some seed for the sparrows. They eat the blue stuff as well. The blue stuff isn't as popular as some of the other flavours. You can get peanut, you can get berry. It's a lovely day now. The low clouds disappeared. So they don't seem to be all that fussed about eating right at the moment. Well, there's a greenfinch. See? Well, a couple of them. 3 of them. Oops, they've gone. Okay, we might do this a bit later when there's more birds.